Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove a community guideline violation on TikTok quickly and safely. Let's get started. Open up TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon right over here and then tap on this three line icon. Just like that, select settings and privacy. Scroll below, tap on help center, scroll below again, then tap on chat with us. And now this will automatically open a chat window where you can directly contact TikTok support. In the message box, clearly describe your issue. For example, you can type, I have recently received a community guideline violation, but I believe it was a mistake. Please review and help me remove it. Tap on send and wait for a response. TikTok support team will review your case and reply to the chat. If they determine it was an error, the violation will be removed from your account. That's it. That is how you can appeal and remove a community guidelines violation on TikTok. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.